my channel Shivani's Funtube. Now, in this video, I will easy fevicol slime. This is easy. In this slime, I will show you a theme. This theme is sea theme dolphin slime. This is try recipe. You can recipe. We will glue fevicol. Thermocol balls. Glitter powder.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Slime ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ റെസിപ്പി നിങ്ങൾ ഉറപ്പായിട്ടും ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കണം. പിന്നെ ലൈക്കും ഷെയറും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും ചെയ്യണേ. ബൈ.